Do you want to keep an eye on all the tweets done by your competitors? Then this video is for you, because here I am going to show you how to track competitor tweets and save to MS Excel automatically. So I am going to integrate Twitter and MS Excel with the help of an automation software in such a way that whenever any specific user tweets into his Twitter profile, the same tweet along with all details will be saved automatically into your MS Excel spreadsheet. In this way, you can keep a track record of all the tweets done by any specific user, done by any competitors or influencers. Do you also want to automate this process? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. Now, to automate this process, I'll have to connect to Twitter and MS Excel, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software, and I am already an existing user, so that is why I'm already logged in into the dashboard. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this button, and you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now, after reaching out to the dashboard, directly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name something like save your competitors tweets in MS Excel automatically. Okay, now click on create, and then you will find 2 boxes in front of you. So these are trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Understand with an example also. Okay, whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any tweet is done made by your competitors into which application? Into the Twitter application. Okay, so that is why I have selected Twitter here. Then automatically save those tweets detail into the MS Excel application. So that is why I will be searching for this Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, now the idea here is I'm going to connect this Twitter and Excel with the Pabbly Connect so that we can create this automation, we can collect the details. Okay, so here you can read the instructions that it will trigger when a specific user tweets. Okay, so you will have to select this specific trigger event, and now you will have to connect your Twitter account with the Airtable by simply clicking on this button. Okay, you just need to provide the access of your Twitter account. Okay, let me click on this authorize app. Now, why it is not asking me the access, it is asking me the permission, because I am already logged in into the Twitter into some different tab. Here you can see the authorization is successful and my Twitter account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the username. Okay, so here exactly you will have to specify the username of that particular Twitter user or that particular competitors whose tweets you would like to fetch automatically into the MS Excel. Okay, so let me show you. I have this random ID. Okay, so assume that this is the ID of one of my competitor, and whatever the tweets he is going to make, I would like to fetch all those tweets into the MS Excel so that I can create a backup and my team can keep an eye on all the tweets done by him, basically from the Excel itself. Okay, so I am going to copy the username of this particular person, that is @Gary Monroe 2. Okay, so let me type the same into this particular field, that is Gary Monroe 2. Okay, Gary Monroe 2. Okay, so I have provided the username. Now as soon as I'll click on this button, you will see it will automatically give me the response. Here you can see the response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. Okay, and this time Pabbly Connect has fetched that most recent twist which is made by this Gary Monroe. Okay, let me check where is the content, what content basically he has posted. Okay, so he has posted this particular update, that is we are launching ChatGPT soon in the KPS integration library. Stay tuned for more updates. What else we are launching? Okay, so they are launching this WhatsApp Cloud API will be launched in the next 7 days. We are also planning to create documentation for our top 100 videos. Okay, now I'm going to create one more tweet into this particular profile. Okay, and you will have to assume that this is one of that user whose details you would like to fetch. Okay, so I'm going to create one more tweet here, and then you will see how the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect once again. Hello team, finally the wait is over. Or how about I copy this content from the notepad? Yes, I remember that I have already prepared one interesting update. Okay, so let me copy this update. Okay, and I will be pasting the same update here. Alright, so I am posting this particular update, something like, hello team, finally the wait is over because we are here with the most awaited, okay, something is wrong, okay, a comma is missing. We are here with the most awaited applications integration, that is LinkedIn lead generation form. Now you can send your LinkedIn leads to Google Sheets, MS Excel and any email marketing software or CRM and automate a lot more process. Okay, this content is extra. Okay, so I can actually remove this content. Okay, and now I am going to make this tweet via this Gary Monroe profile. Okay, I'll have to wait for that tweet. Okay, let me click on profile and check it. And here you can see the same tweet has been posted. Let me come back to Pabbly Connect's dashboard and then I'll be clicking on this button once again and wait for that tweet to be fetched here. Alright, so once again the response is received and here you can see in this full text the same tweet information has been fetched up. Okay, hey team, finally the wait is over because we are here with the most awaited applications integration, that is LinkedIn lead generation forms. Okay, now you can send your LinkedIn leads to Google Sheets, MS Excel or any other email marketing software, CRM and automate a lot more process. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Twitter is working absolutely fine. Okay, and now I am going to collect these tweets into MS Excel application. Okay, so I have already selected the application. Simply select an action event, that is create a worksheet. Okay, no, it should not be create a worksheet, it should be add row to a worksheet, and then click on connect, click on add a new connection, and again provide the access of your Microsoft account from here. Okay, well I have already provided this access, so how about I go with the existing connection, but make sure you will have to provide the access of your Excel account for the first time. After that you can also go with the existing connection. Okay, now this is how the authorization will be successful and your Microsoft account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect immediately. Now the connection is successful and here it is showing the workbook. Okay, so whatever the workbooks are available inside my Excel account have started visible here since we are connected, and I am going to select which workbook. Okay, so the name of the workbook is all tweets done by Gary Monroe. Okay, let me also correct the spelling. Okay, all tweets done by Gary Monroe. Okay, let me search for the same, all tweets done by, here you can see all tweets done by Gary Monroe, and in order to fetch the new changes I'll have to click on this refresh button so that the changes, the corrections will be fetched up automatically. Alright, so let me click on that. And here you can see the changes has been made, and this in this worksheet also I just have a single sheet one only. Okay, so it has got selected automatically. Now here you can see this column A and column B. Now why it is taking time, I'll have to wait for few more seconds. Alright, it is done. Now here you can see this column A and column B. Okay, so from where these particular column has been arrived. Okay, so whatever the columns you will add in your workbook, in your worksheet, the same column visible here into your Pabbly Connect account as well. You just need to provide the data, basically the tweet content and the date of tweet, and this is how the data will be saved here also. Okay, so from where I'm going to add this detail, remember we have just captured the details of the tweet into our previous step, and don't worry, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above steps data here in the drop down. Okay, so let me search for that full text. Okay, remember we have captured the text of the tweet into this full text. Okay, so I have mapped it. Now I'm going to also map the date of the tweet, and I remember the date was with the name created at. Okay, that is created at. Okay, so I have also mapped this date and time. Okay, and now you must be thinking why I have mapped the data, why I have not copy and pasted the data. Okay, so if you will map this data, whatever the details you will map here, the data will be changed, will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. And if you will provide any data here manually, this data will remain same. Okay, so in order to execute this automation in real time, I'll have to specifically map this data. Okay, so mapping plays a significant roles inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Now I am finally clicking on this button save and send test request and waiting for the response to received. Alright, so the response is received. Let me go back to my Excel account and refresh it. And after refreshing my Excel spreadsheet, here you can see the data has been added automatically. Okay, so in this way, now onwards, every time your competitors is going to make any new tweet, okay, basically whatever the username you have provided here, whatever they are going to tweet, the details will be captured into our MS Excel spreadsheet automatically. You do not have to do anything manually apart from creating this automation. Yes, simply create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, what will happen? Every time the tweet will make, the details will be added, and that too in every 10 minutes. Now why in every 10 minutes? Because the trigger here is the polling based, and it will check for the new data from the Twitter in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case if your data is not getting updated in real time, or you can say immediately, you'll have to wait at least for the 10 minutes, because it is clearly mentioned here that it is going to capture the data in every 10 minutes. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this automation, I'll also attach this shareable link of my workflow into the description box. Okay, simply click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can even close Pabbly Connect, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.